Hey YouTube! Today I'm going to be doing episode 2, season 1 of, Emojam Gaming. It's episode 2 if I said episode 1, and season 1 if I said season 2. But, well, I got a membership, and actually I got it a few days ago. Was that a week? I'm sure it was, like, a week and a day or two or something, I don't know. But, I have my brother in my room. He's this guy. Yeah. His name is Raiden. Okay. So, this is his den. Oh, he's gonna see me in just a minute. I'm recording! Boo-boos! His nickname is Boo-Boo. Yeah. She's coming right now. There he is. I'm showing YouTube you! Say hi, YouTube! He just said hi, YouTube. And it's almost his birthday! Oh, yeah. Oh. By the way, I have a new top hat. I like wearing my freedom hat because it kind of looks like a stiff. Like that now. Also, it looks pretty nice with my stuff. Then I'm gonna ask him for White Fox real quick. Oh. Yeah. Okay, be right back. Okay, YouTube, I am back, and my brother just sent me a fox and a stuffy fox because I don't have one, and here it is. And that's the fox. I love it so much, so I'm gonna send him back one. Oh, where's that send back thing? Okay, so let me give this a take off. Here I have a few plushies folded up here. And I'm going to send him this one. There we go. So I'm thinking of you guys probably sending me some items for a mail time, and I'll do a mail time. Which a mail time is so fun. I'm gonna play with my fox for a while. And guess what I got in Sky High? Horrible items. It was really close to the top. I fell. Yay. Okay, bad luck. Bad luck. And I watched this girl. She was a top hat too. And she was a fox too, but I forgot to change her name, but she won a rare bow, so I tried so hard to get one, and boom, I didn't get one. So if you guys know how to easily get a bow, please tell me. Whoa, you just cleaned up his den. How cute. Okay, I'm gonna go to my den. Wait. I want to watch him decorate. Oh, okay. I thought he was going to do that. Where is he? Here he is. I'm going to my day to put that fox there. Which I'm on a tablet, so sorry if I write slow. Let's not make this episode too long. Put my rail. I still don't want to put on my bed. Oh! Whoa. What the? Am I not zoomed in on? Okay. What? Okay, I don't know what to put. I kind of want to put Perfect. This cute little bed. Guess for my plushies. Put this here plushie. Whoa, I'm like super slow. Maybe this could be a little bed. It's cute though. Yeah, hot. I don't want to make this episode long. Just a minute. Burp. Okay. Now I gotta redo it. This is probably super boring. I can only skip. Yes. That's my special plushie shelf. Kind of. Let's take this spider web out. Whoa. This kind of. Whoa. Oh, speaking of like spider web, they should totally put a pet, like a spider, not pet spider, a spider as a pet. You know. Oh, and this video is almost ending, so I'm gonna end it here. And bye, YouTube, and have a nice day. And subscribe.